subscribe to TOOFAST TV, everyone. Just please do it. For me, come on.
What'd you say? If you can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. You can't drive. Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sean, back at it again with another episode of TOOFAST TV. We've got so much going on for you guys. Make sure you follow us at TOOFAST TV on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hold on. Yo, have you subscribed? Did you subscribe to TOOFAST TV?
Yeah.
See, man's already on it, yo. I don't even gotta tell mans, yo. Yo, if I have to tell you, that's a problem. So, yo, make sure you hit subscribe. Done, no. What?
Today's the tune day. Will she blow or will she go? I don't know.
Yo, so since I'm not coming with you guys to tune this,
I'm gonna be vlogging it.
You're gonna be vlogging everything, right?
Yeah.
Yo.
Everything.
We're holding him to that. He's vlogging everything for you guys.
Yo, don't point fingers, eh? It's not nice. Yo, watch out for that steering wheel. Bathing ape, guys. Bathing ape. No animals were harmed in the making of the steering wheel, and I can guarantee you that, my friends. But yo, did you see my heart-shaped tips?
Yo, these are actually nasty, bro.
Get low and show them that full 3-inch exhaust. Oh yeah, baby.
Jeez.
Now I gotta fulfill Salim's request of making heart-shaped tips, and I don't know how the fuck this is gonna work.
Are you making heart-shaped tips?
Yeah.
Jeez.
I think he has a plan, but he hasn't told me what he wants to do. I tried yesterday and it didn't work out so good. My failed attempt at making a heart. It looked better and then I fucked it up after.
It looks like Pikachu.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. It looks like Mickey Mouse.
That's jokes. Hey, it's better than anything I would have done.
Hey, bro, for 5 minutes, a hammer and a flat piece.
It looks like it was only 5 minutes.
You know, I got the sauce. No ketchup. Just sauce. This is step 1 to stealing your girl's heart. Have heart-shaped exhaust tips.
Take a look at the exhaust I built.
Yeah, I was taking a look at that. It's actually really
Let's
nice.
custom white pipe. All mandrel bent piping, so you see everything mandrel bent, full flow.
Yeah.
You already know, man.
You went in.
I go in, bro.
When did you do this?
Last night.
Okay.
That's the only time we got.
Yeah.
Double S, I got a flex lot. I said slow, this white girl made me text a lot. I get the bag, got the pussy, then finesse a thigh. Sorry mom, I for being, I forget a lot.
Yeah.
I make sure all the edges are smooth, right?
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Okay, we need one more.
final product.
That came out pretty good, bro.
Yeah, it's not done yet, but you already know. Look at that.
Yo, the real question is, what are your plans on how to make it fit?
I'm gonna make it fit. You're gonna see. I'm gonna be shooting some flames.
Yeah, boy. I can't wait for that, to be honest with you.
It's called Flaming Hearts, bro.
Flaming Hearts?
Flame Dion.
Keep it even, gelato, I be chiefin'. You ain't got your own pack, you be leechin'. Big stars in the rave, call it Cosmo. Tell the homie, bring some biddies to the condo. I shoot like Rondo, we used to work at Longos. Yeah, MCM a nobody, he a John Doe. This a PSA, bitch, I need money first. I just sip a little slow while you shut.
Yo, that thing rips now.
Yeah? It's nothing like before, eh?
Oh, nothing like before. Nothing
Aiden
like
George.
the Charge one either.
My son's down for the weekend visiting. Say what's up, Aiden.
What's up, boys?
Yeah, so Salim said he wanted to scare the shit out of my kids. We're gonna send him for a ride in the drift car, freshly boosted, nice and tuned, you know? And we'll see if he can handle it. I think I did like a couple donuts while my Genesis still ran, and he got out the car and just puked. So, you think he can handle it, Aiden?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Maybe.
Okay. Yeah! What's up?
Everything is up.
Everything is
Alright.
Oil pressure's up, fuel pressure's up, the car is idling, the brakes are... Let me tell you guys about these EBC brakes, okay? Let me just tell you guys. It's like, surprisingly, it stops on a dime, like, I'm telling you. I just ripped it, then I tapped on the brakes, and then we're all like, oh! Crazy.
Gotta touch this up, fam.
Man, that's a broken heart.
It's a broken heart.
Yeah.
That is the saddest thing I've ever heard.
It's real life, bro. Right now, we got a real heart and a broken heart.
No.
My heart's broken.
that brakes hard.
Because you guys know we had to close the front of the shop. We got to take this COVID-19 stuff serious, right? So it's very important.
Wait,
you know,
guys, social distancing, 2 meters back.
Yeah, back up.
it's very important that, you know, we keep our social distance. It's very important that we sanitize our hands all the time, you know. And if you guys need anything done, just give us a call. We have another number that we put up just in case the shop phone's not being picked up. And if you need to pick up something, we can leave it outside the door for you guys, you know, just to keep as little contact as possible. And I know you guys need your car parts most likely. If you're gonna be home, you're bored, you want something to do, we can still supply you with that stuff. So, you know, it's all good, guys. Once everything is blessed, we're gonna fix the broken heart.
Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You could get used to this, huh? Yeah? He used to be scared shitless of race cars. Like, you could not get him to sit down in a modified car. But now, he's 11 years old, and that's all he wants to do. Jeez! I'm a very proud father right now.
That was amazing. Yeah.
Now we get out of the car. I'm gonna smoke up for a little bit. Cool, eh?
Yeah.
How was it?
Amazing.
Yeah, you liked it?
Yeah.
Good job, Eddie. You had fun?
Yeah, thank you.
Love it.
Yeah.
That was some nice flames you shot there.
That was wild. So, Steve's attempting to do donuts in this tiny ass spot. mofo. Always, you know that.
TOOFAST TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish.
So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't drive. It is what it is.